Okay, so for this next project, we are going to be creating three-dimensional letters out of clay. So here's my close to finished piece. It still has a little bit of cleaning up to happen to it, but for the most part, it's done. The first thing that you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to come up with a template. You want the template to be on a piece of paper. You're gonna wanna cut the paper out and make sure you hold on to this. You're gonna be using this for the beginning part, and then you're going to need it again at the end. So after you create the template, make sure that you don't lose it. There's a chance you'll need it at the end, so make sure you hold on to it. All right, let's get started. Okay, so a little bit about the template. Use a piece of notebook paper, completely fine. A piece of printer paper works as well. You want the letter to fill up the space. It can't be bigger than that. It shouldn't be too small. It should be somewhere that comes close to filling up the page, but ultimately the size is up to you. The letter's up to you as well. I'm creating a C. You might think for cook, but it's actually going to be for ceramics. I've already created another C, so this will be for the second C in ceramics. We're going to be finishing these by using watercolor paints. We're not going to be using underglazes or glazes at all for this piece. And the main reason why is that we use a mid-range fire clay, and some letters will hold up very well at that temperature, and some will sort of wilt down. So for example, this C, if I fired it to a higher temperature, would possibly warp and come together like that, and it can just lead to some disasters.